Okay, I'm recording, okay. Baby, say hi, Dada. Say, look at me, sitting up on my own. I'm sitting up on my own. I'm watching TV. Say, happy birthday to you, to you. Yeah. You're gonna tip over. Careful, Mr. Wiggles. Say, Daddy, are you proud of me? Look at me sitting on my own. I'm such a big boy already. Sometimes I topple over a little bit. Woo! But I could dance too. Got my cowboy hat here, layering on the birthday hats. And Luca is 4 in North Branford, Connecticut. Happy 4th birthday to our wonderful little boy you bring us. Weeble wobble. We love you to the moon.